Yes, you go. Vlogs by Nay. I'm Nay, and today's video is going to be a little surprise. So, I ordered a package from DHgate. I wanted a pair of Beat headphones. And I seen this girl on TikTok. She had like a bunch of dupes, so I decided to give it a try. And here's the box. Looks not like Beats, but whatever. So, you know, I've been waiting forever for this, so let's just go ahead and get into it. Well, ouch. Okay. And I'm messing up the box badly. Okay, so this is the box. These are the Beats. Special gold edition. The box looks like a Beat box. I've never had Beats, so we're just gonna see. Okay, so got a couple of things in here. I'm just gonna set the box to the side. First things first, we have, I'm assuming maybe it's a charger cord. Like I said, I've never had Beats, so I don't know how that works. And I guess if you don't want to use it wireless, you can use it like that. That's what that cord's for. Oh. Wow, these are super cute. These are super cute. So I've never had actual Beats, so I don't know how they're supposed to look, but this looks like rose gold. It didn't come with a carrying case. Oh, dang, I don't have nothing to try that on. Okay, I gotta go find my iPad. So as I'm looking at it, there are a bit of like, you know, scratches on it. It does have Solo 3 on it, on this side, and it has, you know, wireless on this side from what I've seen, and it has the Beats thing on top of it. It has the buttons. Wait, this is not a button. Oh, it has the buttons. You can turn it on, you know. And it also has that part where you can plug it up if you don't want it to be wireless. So let's turn it on. Okay. All right, so now what we're going to do is find my iPad. So let's do that. So I got my laptop. Let's see. And it's good that I tested out my laptop anyways, because that's what I'm going to be using at the library. All right, so let's go to Spotify and let's go to settings. Come on, load. Oh, and when you go to connect it, it pops up as Beats Solo. Y'all see that? Solo 3. So I'm going to press connect. Ouch, I just pierced my ears and they hurt. I mean, y'all gonna see the video. Golly. Okay. Okay, the sound is amazing, okay? Hands down, the only thing I could say about these, that somebody would notice is the fact that, for one, I was looking at the actual Beat Solos 3, and it has like a gold band. Like, this is missing, you know, some of the like gold bands. Like, you can definitely tell that these aren't, not even definitely, like if somebody was looking hard enough, then yeah, they could probably tell that these aren't actual Beats, but these are really good dupe Beats, and the sound quality is amazing. So like, rather than spending $140 on a pair of Beat Solos, I just got me some for $30 off of DHgate. And I wish somebody would say, girl, your beats are fake. Okay, you're mad because you spent $140 for something that I got for $30. It looks the same, it acts the same. No one would have known the difference unless they pointed it out, or unless I said, oh yeah, I did get these off of DHgate. Well, yeah. Try me, hope. Try me, hope. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video, because I most definitely did. I'm really happy with how it turned out, because this could have failed badly and I could have been out of $30, but I'm not. And see, even on the box, like, it doesn't have that. This is what I'm talking about. It doesn't have that, and then it doesn't have that lining, and it also has like maybe writing on it. And these are supposed to be gold, but they're rose gold. But I'm glad that they're rose gold, because I didn't want gold. I wanted rose gold so bad. So yeah, like there you have it. I will put the link to these in the description, so if you are interested in getting your own pair of beats, they will be in the description below. And it took about 2 weeks to come, but yeah. So, and I also ordered some AirPods off of there, so I'm excited for those to come in and get to do an unboxing video for you guys with that. But how do I disconnect this? I guess turn my Bluetooth off. Okay, so yeah, but Naima's AirPods. First of all, I didn't have AirPods when I connected this computer, when I got this computer, so they are lying. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to other people you think would enjoy seeing me get a joy out of, listening to music on my beats.